Ever had a white pair of shoes that got dirty way too quickly? I think we all have, right? Barry has an invention that will help you clean all your sneakers quickly and quietly. Barry, great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thanks you for having me.
Oh, we are so excited. Okay, what is Shoo-Noise? Tell me about this.
So Shoo-Noise is a product that you have that you can strap your shoes to, and then it magnetically goes inside the drum of both the washer as well as the dryer to knock out the noise and to clean and wash your shoes quietly, quickly, and to save the wear and tear of the washer and dryer as well as the shoes.
Barry, this is so smart. So this is what it looks like, right? Mm-hmm. How does it work? Can you show me? Maybe we put a shoe on one of these.
Sure, yep. So the strap, and you just take your shoes.
Okay.
And they have different holes along the side.
So different sizes of shoes.
Yep, so just based on that.
Okay.
Then,
and I noticed you have a child shoe here too, so it kind of works for all sizes. That's awesome.
Sorry, this
and you
goes
just
on.
strap it. That's so, it's so smart. Now, where did this idea come from, Barry?
So this idea came from, by profession, I'm a nurse, actually a nurse practitioner.
Okay.
And years ago, actually, this is where it came from, that I have a pair of Crocs that are lined, and I wear them for slippers and they start to sink. So one day I went to throw them in the washer as well as the dryer, and I thought, gosh, I hate that sound. And the idea was born.
And there it is. Now, what has the process been like to get to this final product? Because I'm sure it's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, right?
6 years of going through the process, lots of rendition. Thank goodness for modern day 3D printing. We did a lot of the development with that. And then actually the final product, we got to this part, and then we've actually had to tweak it even since then. So it's just been a lot of work.
And I'm sure Mama Kathy, who's here in the audience, has had a lot of help with it. I'm sure she's been amazing. Okay, who can use this product, Barry?
Anybody and everybody. This is designed, again, like I said, I'm a nurse practitioner, so this is actually a pair of shoes I wore for 7 months for that, but it's designed for, obviously, soccer moms who do sports. It's designed for people who work in healthcare. I've actually talked to people who work in culinary, who walk around, get food and grease on their shoes.
Sure.
So anybody and everybody who wants to keep their shoes clean and smelling nice.
Which is all of us, right? Hopefully. Okay, so we kind of want to show how this works. So we're going to get a shot inside this. Does it work inside washers and dryers?
It's designed for both, yep, the washer as well as the dryer.
Okay, incredible. Okay, let's turn this on. You want to press that? Let's see.
So it's designed so you just easily snap it onto the side. It attaches magnetically.
Barry, that's genius. And then you don't have that clunking sound of it cleaning in there. Okay, let's shut it off because it's a little bit loud. That's so cool. Does it really make it faster?
It does, because actually by putting it to the side, it allows the drum to spin out most of the water. So when you take them out, the shoes dry out very quickly.
Wow. Okay, and where can we go for more information and order one right now, Barry?
Order right now. We're on Amazon at Shoo-Noise. So it's a play on words, so S-H-O-O Noise, and then also shoe-noise.com on my website.
You're awesome. High five for that. Thanks for helping us keep our shoes clean, Barry. Great to see you.
You too. Thank you.